How did Germanic tribes migrate across early Europe? Imagine a time when vast forests, rivers, and open plains shaped the lives of early peoples. Now picture groups of Germanic tribes slowly moving across this landscape, seeking new homes. That's exactly how their migration unfolded over many centuries. Their journey started in northern Europe, mainly in what we now call southern Scandinavia and northern Germany. Archaeologists find evidence that, by around 1000 BC, these tribes began heading south and west. They moved along river valleys and coastlines, following familiar routes that offered food, water, and safe passage. As they spread, they pushed other groups like the Celts further west toward the Rhine River and beyond. During the Iron Age, Germanic tribes kept expanding, reaching as far as the lower Danube River and the Baltic Sea. Some groups, like the Goths, moved eastward along the Vistula River, settling near the Black Sea. Their migrations weren't always peaceful. Sometimes they fought with local tribes, including Slavs, as they looked for better land. By the 2nd century BC, tribes like the Cimbri and Teutoni reached the borders of the Roman world. They attacked Roman territories in southern France and northern Italy, marking the start of more direct contact with Rome. The biggest movement happened in the 4th century AD. The Huns, a nomadic group from Asia, pushed westward, forcing many Germanic tribes to seek refuge inside Roman borders. The Visigoths crossed the Danube River in 376 AD after fleeing the Huns. Other tribes like the Ostrogoths, Vandals, Burgundians, and Suebi also moved into Roman lands, often under pressure or with permission. As the Western Roman Empire weakened in the 5th century, these tribes established their own kingdoms. The Visigoths settled in Spain and southern France, the Ostrogoths in Italy, and the Vandals in North Africa. The Franks moved into what is now France, creating a new power base. In Britain, Anglo-Saxon tribes migrated after the Romans left, gradually replacing Celtic culture in much of England. Their routes were often along rivers and coastlines because these paths provided resources and easier travel. Climate changes, soil exhaustion, and the search for arable land also influenced their movements. These migrations changed Europe forever. They led to new kingdoms, cultural blending, and the transformation of Roman provinces into Germanic states. This period, called the Migration Period, was a turning point that shaped the early medieval world and the societies we recognize today.